Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a super exciting one. Today I'm going to be reviewing and testing out the new Wet n Wild X Pac-Man collection. This looks so incredibly amazing. I am such a huge Pac-Man fan. I used to play this when I was younger all the time. It's such a classic game. And this collection actually comes with a lot of really cool products in it. So for starters, we have this Bonus Fruit Lip Scrub, a Bonus Fruit Lip Balm, this High Score Blush Palette, the Game Over Color Eyeshadow Palette, some Power Palettes Bronzer, Power Palettes Blush Lighter, 4 lip glosses. This comes out and there's a little underneath slot as well. You get 2 brushes. You get the Waka 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 powder brush and the eyeshadow brush, and then you also get a nail polish set as well, which is so amazing. This kit was $70, which honestly for all of these products is not bad. And I am so excited to test all of these products out for you. I'm so excited. So if you guys are interested in seeing me test out these products, try them out, and tell you what I think, then go ahead and just keep on watching. And I have only watched one person's review on this collection, and that was Kathleen Lights. So I kind of really want to recreate her eye look because it was absolutely beautiful. She actually did a really amazing job with this really colorful eyeshadow palette. So I want to try and recreate it today. I already went ahead and primed my eyes with MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. And I'm going to be taking the little Wet n Wild Waka 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 eyeshadow brush. These are just so cute. Like, I love the little like confetti pieces in there and little Pac-Mans. So adorable. Alright, so this is what the eye look is looking like so far. It's not the best and it's nowhere near as good as Kathleen Lights, but I'm going to quickly do my other eye off of camera and put some mascara on, and we'll see how we're looking. Okay, you guys, I am back and I have my mascara on. So this eye look is looking better with the mascara. I am going to quickly test out a few more products before I do my foundation, concealer, and powder. I'm going to try out the Bonus Fruit Lip Scrub. My lips are feeling a little bit crusty, so I really want to see how this performs. Oh, and it's actually so freaking cute. Look how adorable that is. Aww. Ooh, and this smells exactly like green apple. Oh my goodness. Ooh, and it's kind of sticky too. This actually feels like it's gonna be a really good scrub. And it tastes good too. It tastes exactly like green apple. And I'm going to quickly wipe that off. Now I'm going to go in with the what is this called again? Bonus Fruit Lip Balm. And it tastes and smells exactly like artificial cherry. It almost smells like a Starburst, kind of. Like the red Starburst. It actually feels really nice on the lips, and it is very hydrating as well. So now I'm going to quickly do my foundation, concealer, and powder off camera, and then I will test out the rest of the products with you guys. Alright you guys, I am back and I have my foundation, concealer, and powder on. And now we're going to go into the next product, which is the bronzer. These are the Power Palette Bronzer. And it comes in this little jar here. And those are what the little bronzer balls look like. And I'm going to be taking the Waka 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 powder brush to apply these to my face. This brush looks so pretty, and it looks like it's going to be very, very soft, so I cannot wait. I'm kind of nervous to try this out. I don't know if it's going to be pigmented or not, so we'll see. Oh, oh no, oh no. Oh, it literally looks like I just got punched in the face. Ooh. Huh. It's looking pretty muddy on me right now, you guys. It's not looking the greatest. But it's okay, it's okay. We can fix it, we can fix it. Hopefully. Okay, this is looking really, really muddy on me, so I'm gonna fix it. I'm just going to take a pressed powder and dust over that. Okay, I think I managed to kind of sort of save it, not really. I really just want to put some bronzer over top of that just to kind of tone down, like, it just looks so harsh on me. So I think I'm going to just put on some regular bronzer just to see if that'll help a little bit. Okay, I think I kind of sort of saved it. Not really. It's just not looking great on me, you guys. This right here, these little bronzer balls are just not where it's at. I would not recommend these at all. And now we're going to be testing out the High Score Blush Palette. It looks like this. It's so cute with all the little fruits on it. These shades all look kind of like on the paler side, so if you are a deeper, like a medium to deep skin tone, I don't think that this palette is really gonna suit you, but this is really good for those of you with pale to light skin tones. And I really think that I'm going to just mix these two shades right here. Oh boy, it still just looks like I have been punched in the face. The blush is just seamless on my skin and it looks really beautiful. Now I'm going to try the other Power Palettes blush lighter. I'm really kind of scared for this. I really don't want to ruin this look even more with these again. But I am going to just take this right on the like high points of my cheeks, just as like a little bit of a blush topper slash highlighter. Oh my gosh, that looks so pigmented. Oh. Honestly, this is beautiful as a highlighter and kind of like blush topper. Just like a blush topper and highlight all in one. These are actually really pretty. Now I'm going to move on to my last products, which are the lips. I'm going to swatch each of the 4 shades for you. And these are all named according to the ghost names. So we have Blinky, Clyde, Inky, and Pinky. So I'm going to swatch those on my lips for you really quickly. Guys, and I just went ahead and popped on a nude lip liner, and then I put a little bit of the Clyde gloss on top, and this is actually looking really good with my makeup look. Now, almost all of the products I absolutely love, except for 2 products out of the collection. I honestly do not like these bronzer balls at all. They're just not my thing. It just looked really bad on my skin tone. And then the Inky gloss, it was very, very patchy for a blue. I think it would look better if you had like a blue lipstick underneath, and then if you wanted to top it off with the blue gloss, or if you just wear like a blue lip liner under this, it would look good as well. But on its own, it's very, very patchy, whereas the other glosses were not patchy on their own at all. But all in all, I really do like this collection. It is actually really nice, surprisingly, for the price point. Wet n Wild has very, very, very affordable makeup, and I'm honestly shocked that I could recreate this eye look that Kathleen Lights did. It was actually really easy to do. The eyeshadows were really easy to blend out as well. I honestly think that if you are a Pac-Man fan, you should definitely get it. If nothing else, just for the collector's box. It's so cool. I love it so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!